The kidneys are one of the most important organs in the body. They play many important roles, such as removing waste from your blood, maintaining the right balance of minerals in your body, and helping to keep your bones strong and healthy. But many people have no idea how their daily habits affect their kidney health. The worst part is that some of these daily habits will destroy your kidneys fast. So if you want to protect your kidneys and live a long, healthy life, then this video is for you. We will discuss the 6 worst daily habits that can destroy your kidneys fast so that you can avoid them. If you're new here, welcome. We make videos about health and science. Subscribe for more updates. Also, we have made this video for educational purposes only, so do not use it as a substitute for professional medical advice. Now let's get started. Habit number 1. Drinking too little water. When you don't drink enough water, your kidneys have to work harder to filter and remove waste from your blood. This extra strain can damage your kidneys over time. Not drinking enough water also makes your blood thicker, which makes it harder for your kidneys to filter out waste. And when your kidneys can't filter out waste as well as they should, it can lead to kidney failure. Experts recommend that men should drink about 3 liters of water per day, while women should drink about 2.2 liters of water per day. But individual needs may vary based on several factors like climate, activity levels, and overall health. A general rule of thumb is to make sure that your urine is pale straw color. If it's darker than that, you probably need to drink more fluids. Habit number 2. Drinking too much alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can damage your kidneys in several ways. First, alcohol is a diuretic, which means it makes you pee more. And as we discussed earlier, when you pee more, your body gets dehydrated, and dehydration can damage your kidneys. Second, alcohol can interfere with the way your body regulates fluids and electrolytes, which can also lead to dehydration and kidney damage. Third, chronic heavy drinking can cause high blood pressure, which is one of the leading causes of kidney disease. Finally, alcohol can interact with certain medications that are commonly used to treat kidney conditions. These interactions can reduce the effectiveness of these medications and lead to further kidney damage. It's important to note that the recommended amount of alcohol consumption for adults is 2 drinks per week. However, if you have kidney disease or are at risk of kidney disease, it's best to avoid alcohol altogether. Habit number 3. Smoking cigarettes. Smoking cigarettes damages the small blood vessels in your kidneys, making it harder for your kidneys to filter waste out of your blood. In addition, smoking raises your blood pressure, which puts extra strain on your kidneys. And finally, smoking reduces the amount of oxygen in your body, which can cause your kidneys to become ischemic, meaning they don't get enough blood flow. All of these factors can lead to kidney damage over time. If you currently smoke cigarettes, the good news is that your kidneys can heal, and the damage can be reversed if you quit. There are many resources available to help you quit smoking, so don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. Habit number 4. Taking too many painkillers. Painkillers are medications like ibuprofen, naproxen, acetaminophen, and others that are used to relieve pain. When taken in moderation, they are generally safe. However, when taken too often or in large doses, they can cause serious damage to your kidneys. Here's how. First, painkillers can cause your body to become dehydrated. And as we know by now, dehydration can damage your kidneys. Second, painkillers can cause your blood pressure to rise, which can also damage your kidneys. Third, painkillers can reduce the amount of blood flow to your kidneys, which can lead to kidney damage. Over time, it's important to take painkillers exactly as directed by the label and to avoid taking multiple painkillers together, as this can increase the risk of kidney damage. If you take painkillers regularly, it's important to monitor your kidney function with regular blood and urine tests. If you have any concerns, be sure to speak with your doctor. Habit number 5. Eating too much protein. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids. And normally, your body reuses these amino acids to build new proteins. But when you eat more protein than your body needs, your body gets rid of the excess protein by turning it into waste. This process requires a lot of water and puts an extra strain on your kidneys. Additionally, eating too much protein can cause your body to produce more uric acid. Uric acid is a waste product that comes from the breakdown of purines, which are found in some foods, such as organ meats, seafood, and certain vegetables. Normally, uric acid dissolves in your blood and passes through your kidneys without causing any problems. However, if you have high levels of uric acid in your blood, it can form sharp, hard crystals in your joints and kidneys. These crystals can cause severe pain and inflammation, leading to a condition called gout. Gout can cause sudden, intense pain in your joints, especially in your big toe. It can also cause kidney stones, which are painful deposits that form in your kidneys. Kidney stones can cause severe pain in your back or side, and they can also make it hard to pass urine. Habit number 6. Eating too much salt. Eating too much salt can lead to high blood pressure, which is a leading cause of kidney disease. Salt makes your body hold on to water, which can raise your blood pressure and put extra strain on your kidneys. It also raises your body's calcium levels, which can cause calcium to build up in your kidneys. This buildup can block the tiny tubes in your kidneys, making it hard for them to filter waste out of your blood. And finally, eating too much salt can dehydrate you. And as we know, dehydration can damage your kidneys. To avoid these problems, it's important to eat a diet that is low in sodium. The American Heart Association recommends that adults consume less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. However, the World Health Organization recommends that adults consume no more than 2,000 milliliters of sodium per day. These are just a few of the many daily habits that can damage your kidneys. If you want to learn more about protecting your kidneys, please visit our channel. We have a ton of great resources there that can help you keep your kidneys healthy for years to come. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy, my friends. Now, are you ready to take control of your kidney health? If so, start by being mindful of the amount of water you're drinking every day. Experts recommend that men should drink about 3 liters of water per day, while women should drink about 2.2 liters of water per day. Make sure your urine is pale straw color. If it's darker than that, you probably need to drink more fluids. Alcohol can interfere with your body's fluid regulation and lead to dehydration. Chronic heavy drinking can cause high blood pressure, which is one of the leading causes of kidney disease. Don't smoke cigarettes. Painkillers are medications that can cause kidney damage when taken too often or in large doses. Eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Exercise regularly and maintain a healthy weight. Check your blood pressure regularly, especially if you have kidney disease or other risk factors for high blood pressure. Manage any underlying health conditions that could affect your kidney health, such as diabetes. By following these tips, you can help keep your kidneys healthy for years to come. Remember, your kidneys are essential for your body's overall health, so take care of them. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Please like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates on health and science. Stay healthy.